Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. So this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw flowchart based on the array question. Okay, so saya akan ajar cara nak buat flowchart untuk buat soalan yang array. Okay, so here let's find out what is this question asked about. Okay, soalan ni dia nak apa? Okay, the first one is to find the average of profit. Okay, average. Okay. The second one is to find the highest profit. Okay, to find the highest profit. And the output is at S below lah. Output dia macam contoh dekat bawah tu. Okay, so let's find out what is the things that we need to declare in here. Okay, so dekat sini kita tengok. Okay, kita tahu benda yang kita nak declare adalah average high profit. Okay. And then this one, the profit, which is the array, which is we have 9 array. And then the next one is n, and so on. Okay, but you need to remember, okay, so the n would be 9 because there are 9 data. Okay, 9 data here. So let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 data in here. Alright, next, okay, you need to remember these array questions. Nombor yang dekat dalam array tu kita akan simpan dalam index. The number in array, we need to store it in index. So in index, it will start with index 0. Okay, index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, and index 8. Okay, we have 9 array with index 0 until 8. Okay, this is index. Okay, let's give the variable name, example I. I give I. So, the I will need to declare. So, I ni kita kena declare jugalah as variable. So, let's start our flowchart. Okay. Okay, so this is my Raptor Avalonia. So, whenever I open this Raptor, it will come out together with this console. Okay. So when you want to do this flowchart, you can close the console first. Kita boleh tutup console ni dahulu. Okay, so kita akan start dengan ni. Okay, I will zoom a little bit for you guys to see. Zoom dekat sini. Okay, I hope you can see lah. Alright, so in flowchart we have many symbols that you need to remember. Okay, this symbol is for start and end, and we have a symbol input which is something like a parallelogram, kotak yang sengit sikit. Okay, this is for the input, and yang sengit juga satu lagi adalah untuk output. Basically, the symbol is something like a parallelogram. Okay, kotak yang sengit. Okay, cumanya dekat dalam Avalonia ni, dalam Raptor ni, it have a symbol lah. If the arrow is from the right, it means input. If the arrow on the right, it means output lah. Okay, arrow on the left input, arrow on the right is output. And then the normal rectangle is for the procedure or assignment. Okay, and then we have a diamond selection and a diamond with a square for the loop. Okay, so let's start. So in this question, we know that we need to declare in here. Alright. So, apa yang kita kena declare dekat sini? Let's see. Okay. So, we have kita ada index. Okay, I. So, we need to declare I. So, to declare, we need to use assignment symbol. Okay, we just drag and release in this flowchart. Okay. So, we need to save first. Alright, maybe question 1. Okay, so double click on the box Okay, and we assign the number lah. Okay, so set 2. It seems like a pseudocode here. So set I, okay, we use I capital letter or I in uppercase to 0. Because index is start from 0 and end with 8. Okay, index start daripada kosong dan akhir dia adalah 8. So set I to 0. Next, okay. What are we gonna do next? Okay, we have n. N equal to 9. Okay. N equal to salah. N 9. Okay. Let's do this first. Okay, let's do this first. Okay. So first of all, we need to calculate the average. Okay, we need to calculate the average. Alright. Before we can calculate the average, we need to know that we need to get all the profit from each index first. Okay, but we need to declare all of this array in this flowchart. So how we want to do that? Okay, macam mana kita nak buat benda tu? Okay, sebab kita kena declare ni semua profit dalam setiap index kat sini. So if we have 9 arrays, so 9 times we need to use the assignment symbol and put it here and double click on it. Okay, so the name of it is profit. Okay, let's put a square bracket here. Okay, index 0 here. Okay, profit 0 and the value is 10,000. Alright, next. Profit 1, 50,000. Profit 2, 80,000. Profit 3, 80,000. Lagi tambah profit 4, 10,000, 50. Oh, okay, I just make a mistake. The 4 is 65,000. Okay. So profit index 3 is 75,000. So I need to fix that. 75. Alright. So I just fix that. Follow this one. So next is profit 5, index 5. Okay, 40,000. Enter. Oh lemak, tak nampak pun. Tak nampak button dia. So you need to make it bigger lah. Okay, so next. Profit 6, 95,000. Profit 7. Profit 7, 22,000. And the last one, profit 8, 34,000. Okay. So I done declare all the array here. Okay. I just declare I index 0 because we want to use here later on. Okay, index 0, 1, 2, 3 until 8. And then n to 9 because we have only 9 data. So we need to make sure the loop must end on 9. Okay, benda tu kena habis dekat 9 kali je lah. Loop tu kena 9 kali sajalah. Okay, so let's continue. Next, Alright, next is we need to do a loop lah. So in order to make average, okay, average. Okay, let's write the formula of the average. Okay, we need to get the sum of profit first. And then we divide by 9. So now we want to do the sum of profit first. So in order to do sum of profit, we need to do it in the loop. Okay, in the loop. So I'm going to take this one, okay, the loop symbol. Okay, I'm going to put it below profit. Okay. So let's set the condition inside the loop. Okay, what is the condition? When is the loop gonna end? Okay, bila loop ni perlu diberhentikan. Okay, if you see the what we call that the arrow here, okay, you kena tengok yes dengan no dia apa. Okay, usually we are doing flowchart. If yes, it's continue loop, and no, it will end the loop. But this flowchart, okay, yes will end the loop, no will stop. Will continue the loop. Okay, no will continue the loop. Yes will stop the loop. So what is the condition that can make it stop the loop? Okay, so loop kita maximum adalah 9 kali saja. Okay, 9 times only because we have only 9 data. So when it stop the loop, it means it's supposedly more than 9. Mesti lebih dari 9. Maksudnya dia akan start dengan 10. Okay, kalau lepas 10 je dia kena stop. Okay, it need to stop. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, okay, so the index we are declared with I capital letter. So I'm going to write I here. So let's put it more than berapa kali? Because the index is start with 0, so it supposedly need to stop at index 9. Dia memang 9 kali. Okay, the data must I know the data have 9, but the thing is the index is start with 0. So 0, index 8 should be stopped. So it will account if the index 9 and above. 9 and above, it need to stop. So I'm going to use n because n also 9. So n equal to 9. Okay, something like this. Kenapa ni pula n? Sorry. Okay, I more than equal 9 ataupun I more than equal 9 lah, 9 or n. So let's use n lah, n also 9. Okay, done. So it means it will stop the loop if the index is 9 and above because our last index is 8. We start the index with 0 and we end the index with 8. So index 9 and above, 9, 10, 11, 12, it will stop the loop here, yes. Okay, so if not, contohnya the index currently is index 0, is 0 more than equal 9, no, it will continue loop. That is the meaning of this flowchart loop. Okay, so next, what does this will do? Okay, apa yang ni akan buat? Okay, the formula for sum of profit, you need something to declare with. Okay, so you need to do something like sum. Let's say we are using sum. So we need to take all of this and add to each other. Okay, kita kena ambil setiap nilai profit tu dan tambahkan di semua. Okay, so sum plus profit. So it means we need to declare the sum with what? With 0. If we declared with nothing, how you want to declare nothing with profit? Okay, macam mana kita nak declare pula apa dengan profit n? So kita kena declare 0. So let's do the sum. Okay, you can put the sum before the loop. Okay, so let's put it paling atas lah. So I just do it like this. Sum with 0. Okay, sum with 0. And then I put the formula in the loop. Okay, in the loop. Because I want to add this one. Okay, sum plus profit. Okay, the problem is if you write the profit, how we want to add the profit? Faham tak? Macam ni dia nak tambah profit. Profit yang mana satu? We have 8 index of profit index 0 until profit index 8. So how we want to do this one? Profit is correct, but index I here. Sorry, I capital letter. Okay, sum plus profit I. So right now we will start with the I index 0. Okay, so index 0 would be profit 0 lah. Okay, so it will come to here. So sum is 0 plus profit index 0 also, and it will take the 10,000, 0 plus 10,000, so sum would be 10,000. Okay, next. Okay, so how we want to go to the next index? So we need to make sure we add I with 1. If not, it will continue loop until 9 times, but on this one 10,000 9 times, because it doesn't move. Faham tak? Index tu kekal je kat kosong tu sebab awak tak increasekan I tu, index kosong tu. Okay, I kan untuk kosong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ni. So kalau awak tak tambahkan I dengan 1, macam ni dia nak pergi index seterusnya. That is what I mean lah. So okay, we need to add the I plus 1. Okay, usually in the loop you write I plus plus. Okay, I plus 1. Okay, so we're going to get the sum. Okay, the average plus the sum of profit. Okay, I will try run. Okay, I just play this code. Why is this? Can use 0 as an array index. Oh, okay, this flowchart we cannot use I as 0. Okay, so it's okay. Each software have different things. Okay, so let's put I with 1. Okay, and then stop first. Okay, we change it to index 1. Change it into index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, index 8, index 9. Alright, so we need to fix this one. Okay, not more than equal to 9, because our last index is 9, so more than 9. Okay, more than 9. So let's try again. Ni nampak dia tambah. Okay, so the last sum would be 471,000. Okay, so it's correct lah sebab whenever you add all of this profit, you will get 471,000. Okay, bila kita tambah semua profit ni, kita dapat 471,000. So betul lah benda kita buat. Ini adalah benda yang kita declare tadi for each index. So I don't know why this flowchart we cannot declare with index 0. It need to declare by index 1. So it's okay, we just fix that. Okay, it's a small matter by the way. Okay, so after we get the sum, okay, we need to calculate the average. Okay, we now already get the sum. We need to calculate the average. So the average, we should do it outside of the loop. Okay, so take this one. Terlepas pula. I put it here. Okay, so let's count the average. Okay, so here another declaration, average. Okay, let's use the name average. Okay, what is the formula for the average? Okay, we need to use sum. Okay, divide by 9. Okay, so 9 I already declared n as a 9, so just use n instead of 9. Okay, boleh guna n. Nak guna 9 pun boleh sebenarnya. Okay, if you want to use 9 also can. But I prefer you guys to use n because we already declared n with 9. And then we'll get the average. Alright, so let's run. Okay, the average should be 52,333. So let's wait. Okay, it's still here. Now. Look at this one. Macam mana nak besarkan tepi ni? Tak boleh. 52, 333 lah. Okay, I need to make it bigger. Then you can see. How to show this one lah. Tak boleh besarkan lah pula. Tak apalah. Okay, so average is done, and then we need to display this one. Okay, we need to display this one. To display, use the output. Use the output. Okay, we need to display same as that one. So the text, you should put it in the double quotation. Average profit is. Alright. And put it plus, same like C++. Okay, call again the value of the average, okay, which is we start the value of average in the average variable. Okay, and then done. Okay, so let's try run. Okay, it's still here. Okay, here. So as you guys can see, this is the value that will come out, 52,333. Okay, of course, it doesn't come out as we want here. So we need to fix this one later lah. Okay, but this is already correct. Ini dah betul dah sebenarnya. Tapi dia ada titik perpuluhan, biar je. We just ignore the, what we call that, the decimal places at the back. Okay, we just ignore the decimal places. Okay, we can fix that when we do the code. This is just an algorithm, by the way. Okay, so let's go next. After average, we need to find the highest. Okay, find the highest. In order to find the highest, we need to go through the loop again. Okay, we need to go through the loop again. So before we go through the loop, we use I more than n, right? So we need to do the same like this one. But the problem is right now, I is already 10. As you guys can see, I is already 10. So we cannot use that one. We cannot use I again. So we need to declare one more time I to 1 again. So we need to declare I kepada satu lagi sekali. Sebab I sekarang yang latest I is 10. Okay, I to 1. We need to declare I to 1 again. And then we do the loop. Okay, no need to declare this profit because it will remain the same. So I more than n. Okay, we will do the same loop. I more than n. We will do the same loop. Okay. Okay, the problem is inside the loop. Okay. Okay, so take this assignment. Okay, first of all, we need to take the profit for each index and make a comparison. Oh, I forgot not this one. Let's delete this one. We need to do selection. Inside the loop, we have selection because if it highest, okay, we need to do a comparison. Okay, if it's highest, okay, we gonna add the we need macam nak cakap okay, we need to use selection lah. Okay, because of why? If we compare the profit index that time, kita akan ambil balik profit tu index dia kosong, index dia 10,000. Kita akan comparekan dia dengan highest. If it profit tu is the highest one, we need to store the profit into the highest. If it more than, so yes. If not, no, do nothing. Okay, so let's declare highest also. We can declare highest at the very above, at the very top, or you can declare highest in here also. So let's declare highest here. Okay, highest or high profit. Just follow the question. High profit. Okay. Value 0. Let's start with 0 because we need to compare. So we need to compare with 0 first. High profit. High profit 0. Okay, so let's put it here. Inside this one, I will do it like this. Profit index I. Okay. If it's more than high profit, okay. Okay, just double click with the variable that already suggest here. If the profit index, the current index lah, kiranya profit pada current index tersebut, okay, which is profit index 0 is the first one, okay, is more than high profit, what it will need to do, okay, we need to put the profit into the high profit. So this is what I'm gonna do. High profit will be the profit. Okay. And then in order to go to next index, which is index 2, index 3, 4, 5, we need to plus I with 1. Okay, here. I plus 1. Okay, so let's look at the high profit. Let's run. It's okay if it's wrong, we can fix it. Okay, dia akan tambah. We will add the sum. Okay, 471,000 is stop. And it display average. Okay. So you see the high profit is keep replacing. We cannot see it. How to make this one? Oh, this one. This one. 95,000. 95,000. See, the high profit is 95,000. Okay, you can see that. High profit is 95,000. Okay, it's correct lah. So next, okay, after it's done loop, okay, we're gonna display this one using the output. Highest temperature is highest temperature. Sorry. Highest profit is plus high profit. Okay. So we are done here. Okay, where's the console? Let's clear everything up. Clear. Okay, let's put it side by side and run the code. Okay, because it's still coming up, so that's why when I collapse the profit, it's still tutup balik. Okay, bila kita buka profit itu tutup balik sebab dia ada lagi nombor yang dia nak declare. Okay, it's still go to here this loop. You can see the green one. It's still flow. Okay, now we get the average. Okay, average profit. Okay, here loop is loop kat sini. Kita akan tengok profit dia bertukar-tukar 50,000, 80,000 pula yang the highest one. 50,000 is the highest one. And then it becomes 95,000. And here. Yes. This is the last one. Okay. Average profit is 52,383. 52,000 lah. Okay, 95,000. So done. So here is the flowchart. Okay. So this is how you do. the flowchart. Let me show again. Okay, we scroll it slowly so you can double check with your flowchart. You can screenshot this one as your flowchart, by the way. No need to draw it again in a Microsoft Word. It's more convenient. Okay, and then we can use this one to check whether this flowchart is gonna do same as the real coding later. So ni adalah benda, contohnya konsol ni, function dia adalah untuk tengok algoritma ni, adakah output yang akan dikeluarkan tu akan jadi sama macam kita dah buat coding nantilah. So that is the purpose of the master console. Okay, so don't forget to save. Okay, don't forget to save. Alright, so that's all for the tutorial flowchart for array. So hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.